guys, this is Ray, and I'm going to be showing you maintenance opportunity for you. If anybody out there is using a Gibbz side charger, there are a couple other side chargers that are out there that Gibbz is the OEM for. They do an amazing job. I really love their work. I've been using Gibbz now going on 5 years, and I have yet to have an issue. The machine work on it is amazing. The quality and what I think the benefit to shooting with a side charger is well outweigh the one thing that you have to change, which is in your bolt carrier. It is this pin. It just helps with reliability, where the lever that's on the inside grabs that bolt on the between the gas key and the carrier itself to make things a little bit easier. But for some people that use a barrel rod when you install barrels, like what I have here, it really helps if you can take out that, so you don't have anything that's in the way. There are 3 hex screws. Sorry for the phone. They are all 1/8, and you're able to just take them out real easy. I do need to buy a tripod. Sorry for the hairy hand in the way, so we'll do that. This is the one that keeps it on the slider bar, and this one is the one that allows that keeps the slider bar in place. And this one, for this Gen 1 and 2, where it just uses a detent instead of the actual latch, which I believe is the Gen 3, it just comes off like that. Take the screw off, a little bit of wiggle, that comes out of play. This lifts up, and the detent pin comes out, and whoop, off you go. It's also a good idea to clean this every once in a while, but this upper receiver's probably got about 5,000 rounds on it, and that's minor wear. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm really impressed with what they put together. And then to do it over again, I'd recommend using a little bit of blue Loctite and put things back. Kind of important. This part goes that way, and what you'll see in the channel, if I can get the light in there, is it will just drop into place. Really easy. See? Again, so that middle screw keeps that tight, so that way that can't come out at all. The third one locks the handle, really locks the handle to the slider bar, and then the one that's in the front with the screw and the spring adjusts tension on the latch to make this part easier. So I hope that answers some questions. If some people have been afraid to take that apart, just remember, when you're always putting the upper down on your receiver, to tuck the tail in. It helps even when we're doing suppressed fire. And I'm kind of excited about this one because thanks to DJ Petro out there, I've got a really neat thing to try out here with the Coda Evolution carbon rail, right over the top of a new stainless steel Criterion 1/8 Wild that's fluted. I'm really excited about to do this kind of paired up. I've got a new Collis 1/8 scope that I want to test out, and it should be the right combination. So if you guys get any questions, please just put them in the comments below, and I'll try to help out anywhere I can. Thanks.